a program. That program is solved by using the method. The method are void method and they are invoked by the help of an object. Look at the question. The question described all. It is a fruit juice program and the class name is the fruit juice and the data member description is given here. Who are the data members? The product code, flavor, pack type, pack size and product price. The description about the data is written here. The product code stored the product code number. Flavor stored the flavor of the juice, that is the orange, apple, like this. Pack type, that is the store the type of the packing, tetra pack or bottle, and the pack size, store 200 ml or 400 ml. Product price, the price of the fruit juice. Okay, again it is written what type of data or variable they are. Product code is integer, flavor is string, pack type is string, pack size is integer and product price is integers. Now what we have to do there, we have three methods are there. So that is input method through which we have to input all the data. Discount method which will be calculate the discount or reduce the price by 10. The discount is given as 10 rupees. So the price has to be reduced by 10. The display, so all the details data, that is product code, flavor, pack type, size and product price. And the program I solved by using two procedures. Okay, in one procedure I just directly take the data and in another procedure I input the data through the scanner class. Okay, look at here. Now to write the program, first we should discuss the step again. Okay, I always saying to remember the step because the steps will help you to write the program. Okay, to solve such type of program, first what you have to do, the steps you have to remember. First you have to define the class, then define or initialize the variable, define the input method, define the discount method, define the display method, define the main method, and in main method you have to create the object and call the method by the help of object. That is like obj.input method. I am not going to write the program because the program I have written in the slide. Just the part which I have to describe, that I have to write on a paper. Okay. Diagram here. This is the fruit juice program. The fruit juice program, the main method is the first method which invoked these three methods: input method, discount method and display method. Okay. Input method by which we have to input the data, and discount method through which we have to calculate, that is input data, and the discount method has to be calculate and display method show the result. Okay, this is the work divided among the method. So main method invoke these three methods: input method input data, discount method calculate the discount, and the display method show the result or whatever asked by the question. Okay, the program here, the name of the class is fruit juice. Okay, the first step it is over, defining of the class. Then initialization of the variable is the second step. So here you see how we have initialized. That product code is equal to 0, flavor is equal to double quotes, and pack size is equal to 0, product price is equal to 0, but pack type is double quotes. Now look at here. Those data which are defined as integer, they are initialized with the value 0. Those data which are in data type are string, they are initialized with the double quotes. If it is float, then it will be initialized with 0.0. If it is double, then initialized with the 0.0. So in this such a way, we are at second step, that is the initializations of the variable. Okay, so it is, we are informing to the compiler, these are the data member, so reserve the place in the memory. Okay, and they are created in the memory with this initializations value. Okay, now the third step, defining all the method. Now here you see we have defined the input method, we defined the discount method, and then again we have to define the display method. Okay, so go back to the input method. In input method we are taking the value as a direct constant value. Product is the integer, so 1. Flavor is the string, so apple. Pack type is the string, then it is bottle. Pack size, it is why I am saying that string is mentioned with the double quotes. Okay, and pack size is integer 200, product price is 50. Now this input method is over. Now comes to the discount method. Discount method, what it will be? You have to discount, that is calculate the price by reducing discount 10 rupees. Okay, so product price is equal to product price minus 10, and we are displaying the product price here. Okay, now you have to go to the display method. Now in the display method we are showing all the data: product code, flavor, pack type, pack size and price. All of you acquainted with the format? The message with the value. So the message with written as a double quote, in between double quotes, and the variable or data name to where the value has to be displayed, it will not shown with the double quotes. It will not written as in the double quotes. Okay, so message has to be written in the double quotes, but the data value where present should not be in the double quotes. So flavor, then pack type plus pack type. So this value has to be displayed. Now comes to the main method, the last part. The main method, define the main method, create the object. Now class name, object name, new class name. So here by this line we are creating an object. Okay, and by the help of object we are invoking the method obj.input. So from here the control goes to the input method. There it will be take the input data. Then the control come here again. It is invoke the discount method. Goes to the discount method. Reduce the price by 10. Then come back to the here display method and comes to the display method again. Display the data and comes to the main compiler again. Control comes to there and ended the main method and the class has to be ended. Okay. Now this is all about the procedure 1. So now how the output will be look like? You just look at here. Output of the program: price is equal to 40, product code is equal to 1, flavor is apple, pack type is bottle, pack size is 200, price is 40. Okay, see, this is the output will coming out. Okay, now you have to discuss the procedure 2. Okay, in the procedure 2, the same thing, define of the class, initialization of the variable. Here the input method is different. Input method, instead of taking constant value, we were taking the data by the help of scanner class. Okay, so what we have to define? Scanner, then enter the product code next int. These are all the syntax. Okay, all of you I think understood. That is the next int for integer, next line for the string. Okay, so enter the pack type, enter the pack size, enter the product price. So all these are input. After that it goes to where? It goes to the discount part, and then discount part same. The product price will be reduced by the by 10, so it is minus 10, and the product price displayed here. Now again comes to the here display, then same procedure, display has to be shown, and comes to the main method, same procedures, object has to be created and it will be invoked the method. Okay. Now this main method is called as a called method, and this display, input or discount, they are called as a called method. These are the calling method. The main method is known as the calling method, and these are called as a called method. Okay. Now if you have to see in the previous, directly the value are coming in the output because we have taken as a constant value, but here first the input screen will come. Just look at here how the due to scanner class, how the input screen will come. Input screen, due to scanner functions, it is ask you enter the product code. The user has to input here. Okay, now the enter the flavor, user has to input the orange. Enter the pack type, Tetra Pak has to be input by the user. Then enter pack size, the user has to input the 400. Now after giving all this detail by the user, the output will be product price as a 75. After input by the user, the process has to be calculated, the discount has to be calculated. You just look at, mark here, the product price you have written as a entered as a 75. So after the discount procedures, that output of this one, 75 minus 10, it is 65. Product code, whatever you have entered, that data has to be displayed in the output. Okay. Now you have to clear here. The main method is known as the calling method. Inside the main method, you have to create the object, and by the help of object, you have to invoke the other methods. Okay, and in that particular method you have to write the procedures. The method where you have to write the procedures, they are called as a called method or child method. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.